Hello again, everybody. Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Thursday, the 2nd of August. These are the charts of the day. A very big rally on Wall Street, a very powerful rally. Like the way it looked for sure. A lot of stocks we followed did great. Hard to whittle it down today, but I do have a list for you. Starting with Akcea, which is this old swing of ours from that zone there where it was trading in the low 20s. It's now 35 on a pop today. 35.18 up 332 or 10%. Volume was solid, the biggest volume in about a month and a half. Looks to me like it broke out. It should head higher. I'd look for about 38 and 40 on it. We'll see what happens. APTI, well, after the pullback up below the 50 but held the trend line, it then snapped back. All we need to do on this one is take out 39 or we're headed towards 43.4, my next target. ATRC broke out above double top in a rising channel. Looks to me like it's going to head higher even. At this point, I'm looking for 37.8 zone. BEAT popped out of a falling wedge. Notice on the pop to the top of the channel and then the pullback, how it held right out support, created a little bit of a falling wedge perhaps right here. Today it broke out. Now, there's resistance up around 60. You may get there pretty quickly, and that's the target, but if it accelerates, mid-60s. CF broke out above a multiple session, multiple month consolidation zone, but in a rising formation. At this point, the breakout today was up 537 or 12%, 7.25 million, big volume for that stock, the biggest since March. Looks to me like it's going to extend to about 53.4. DNLW, after a big downtrend, broke out, retested, held at 50, and now, boom, today was a big day for it. 212 or 14.4%, 2.7 million, the biggest volume since May. I'm looking for an extension that tests the 18.5 range and maybe gets up to 20.5 beyond that. DocuSign, after a great IPO post-offering period, it went going from 37 to 67 basically. It pulled down into the fib retracement, bounced around for a month. Today it broke out again. I'm looking for a retest first of 63 and then the high at 67. We'll have to see what we get right beyond that, but I think we may be able to get an extension. DXCM with a huge move today, 29 points at 30%, 7 million traded. Now the long-term chart, this is a new all-time high, but the key is that it broke out above a major double top area in here, and this could accelerate into the under 35, 37 range, if not more, but it was a key breakout today. ESIO broke out of a large 6-month consolidation coil with a breakaway gap to resistance. Now, what we'll be watching at 22 early tomorrow, because 21.90 today at 22.05 back in March was the resistance zone. We get through that, we may see 27 and then 30.31. Habit. After the base broke out a couple days ago, I highlighted it. It had 2 inside days. Probably should have been a swing right there. Missed out on it. Holding 11.90-12 zone. Today it exploded to 15.70. There's some resistance on the gap fill, but I think the next target might be as high as 17.5 range, right there. Beyond that, we're looking at the highs from last year at about just under 20. Here it looks awesome, up another almost 3 points or 10% today. If this accelerates through here, it's going to go vertical into the 40-45 zone. HIIQ broke out yesterday, and today beautiful follow-through of another $6 or 16%. Volume was even heavier than yesterday. I was originally looking for a mid-channel target about 45. We may get there early tomorrow. Secondary target 55 and 65. Intelsat broke through a triple top and out of a coil. This one may run, and I'm looking for 27.8. IIN, beautiful rising channel, and exploded out of a little wedgie. Not sure where this goes, but it's a new all-time high, and it might get up towards low 70s. $70 target. Swing trade NTR broke through key resistance today, and new post-IPO high at 58.03, closing 57.68. I was up 330. Nice day. 6%, 3.3 million. Pretty good volume. I'm looking for this to get up towards 60, 61. It's near term. Square, powerhouse. What a snapback. Exploded from 64 to 72 and change, up 579 today. 20.8 million. That's the biggest volume on update in Square since back in March. I think it breaks out above here and runs. Right, still targeting about 80 and then 88. Tandem broke out as well. popped another 282 or 10%. The volume was the heaviest since back in June as well. And this one may run. Mid-range target 34, top of the range in the mid-40s. Twilio, nice snapback today of 295 or almost 5%, 2.2 million. After holding the trend line, what we're going to watch for going forward is 64 3/4, 65. We get to that, 72 is your target. Old swing USAT given to you in here when it broke out around 7. With targets of 8 and 10, it met 8 there, 10 there, 11 there, 15. It just keeps running up. My current targets are 16 and 18. Vanda broke out today as well with a nice spike up, first down to 1985, then up to 2210 before closing at 2170, up 105 or 5%. But it looks like a breakout. It is near the top of the shot, but this could accelerate. My target's 25. Huge day for Wi-Fi, 41% gain, 5.4 million, big breakaway gap out of a large multi-month coil. At this point, I wouldn't be shocked to see this get to 40 plus. Trucker Weiss RCW experienced a big reversal day. First down hard, then up hard, and then a big engulfing reversal bar in big volume. First, I'm looking for a test of the $11 range, and then I'm looking for 11.90. We get through that, you got a stock that might get up to 14. And finally, Zotis also broke out of a coil, big time, 541 or 6.3%, 5 million traded, and stock looks like it's headed for triple digits. 99 or 100 is my target. That is the charts of the day today, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night.